how are you all? How are you doing in this lockdown period? For us, it is getting very difficult to make the kids sit in the inside home doing no activity at all. So, as per German government rules, we can go outside. I told you earlier also that we can go outside in park, but we just have to maintain a distance of 2 meters from the other group or other person. So today we decided to go to Aachen Forest, and it is around 2.5 kilometers from the city center, only a 10-minute drive for us. So let's go with me to the Aachen Forest. But before going, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and hit the bell icon also to get the notifications for all my new videos. So let's go. Aachen Forest is called Aachener Wald in German, and it hits the north and east border of Belgium and west border of Netherlands. It's very famous in Aachen. People really come here for spending their free time on weekends. Now due to lockdown, there are less people here in Aachener Forest, but still they come for their regular walks. Look, parking here is free. This is a lake. It's very clean. Once a year they also clean it thoroughly. It has very beautiful fish also here. And there is also a signboard where they have shown that which type of animals they can be found in this area in the lake. They are scorpions. The thing is, all the signboards you will find here only in German language. But still, because of the symbols and signs, people can still understand what is written, like where it is no swimming allowed. We should be very careful about that. Here there is play area for the children. Due to lockdown, play areas were earlier closed, but now they have opened it. Beautiful ducks. Look, normally there are so many people here, but less and less people are now come outside. And if they come outside, they maintain the distance. Look, here is for table tennis also. They keep everything in a natural way. Like benches and everything is made of wood instead of plastic. And these wood benches are also made of the wood of trees from this forest only. Earlier, this forest was actually used for coffee smuggling. After Second World War, rates of coffee were so high, so they used to smuggle coffee from Netherlands and Belgium through Germany. So yes, look the comparison. One side is so brown and one side is so green. So grass is greener on the other side. Yeah, there is also a map to see where we are right now and how big it is. There are proper tracking areas. People organize walks actually here. Horses, there are specific area for horses. They can't go everywhere, only on the specific areas. There are many horse riding schools in Germany. And in North Rhine-Westphalia, where I live, it is very famous for horse riding. That is a thing which I like about Germany. People here really like to stay active and they are very close to nature. They don't believe in materialistic things, but they really spend time and money on going outside and enjoying outdoor activities. Here it is a farmhouse where they have cows. You can even buy fresh milk from here, just like India. Here there is a sports park. It's a bit windy here. So, how did you like the park? If you were also mesmerized by the beauty of the nature, then please hit the like button, share the video with your family and friends, and subscribe my channel also for more such videos. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself, stay connected and stay blessed. Bye bye.